very warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma. We have got to you all the latest news and updates from the blockchain technology world. CryptoWire, a crypto super app which also includes the channel Crypto TV, has launched India's first index of cryptocurrencies, IC15. The IC15 index is aimed at helping investors track the performance of top 15 widely traded liquid cryptocurrencies listed on leading crypto exchanges across the globe. And now, let's take a look at the headlines. US Treasury feels stablecoin issuers must be banked to ensure security. US Justice Department recovers $3.6 billion worth of stolen bitcoins from a couple. Web3 builder raises $200 million at $10 billion valuation. Nural Capital plans to raise $150 million for crypto funds of funds. Infinity Ventures Crypto raises $70 million to invest in startups. Bitcoin fails to sustain over $45,000 Leo Spurts. Aave launches Web3 social media platform Lens. Aave price recovers. Vesting contract for Polygon DeFi protocol QIDAO exploited for $13 million. KPMG Canada invests in Bitcoin and Ether. Some officials of the US Treasury want to make stablecoins the domain of banks, though not all members of Congress support the view. Only licensed banks, in the interest of consumer protection, should be allowed to issue stablecoins. Jean-Nelly Liang, the Undersecretary for Domestic Finance at the U.S. Department of the Treasury, told members of the U.S. House of Representatives Committee on Financial Services. Liang's comment reaffirms a November report on stablecoin regulation that called for the tokens to be issued exclusively by insured banks. The proposal for issuers to be insured depository institutions is designed to make stablecoins more stable, and I think stability is probably the key attribute of a good stablecoin, Liang said during her testimony. Another key reason for allowing only insured banks to issue stablecoins was that federally insured institutions would help ensure the security of stablecoins and their underlying assets, Liang argued. The US government has recovered the majority of the cryptocurrency stolen during the 2016 Bitfinex hack and arrested a married couple allegedly linked to it. In 2016, the cryptocurrency exchange was exploited of approximately $4.5 billion at current value. Law enforcement has recovered more than $3.6 billion so far, the Department of Justice said. New York residents Ilya Lichtenstein, 34, and Heather Morgan, 31, were arrested for conspiracy to launder cryptocurrency and money that was stolen during the hack 6 years ago, Deputy Attorney General Lisa Monaco said in a statement. If convicted, both crimes can carry a total maximum sentence of 25 years in prison. Both parties allegedly conspired to launder 119,754 bitcoins, all stolen from the Bitfinex platform when it was hacked in 2016. Alchemy, which provides software infrastructure for cryptocurrency development and billing itself, was the Amazon Web Service for Web3, has raised $200 million in additional Series C funding led by Lightspeed Venture Partners and Silver Lake at a $10.2 billion valuation. The company provides infrastructure and programming tools to non-fungible token creators and marketplaces, including Axie Infinity, Dapper Labs, OpenSea, as well as decentralized finance protocols like Aave, SushiSwap, Yearn Finance, and The Graph. Alchemy co-founder and CEO Nikhil Vishwanathan has said that company hasn't touched the money from their Series B or C funding round yet. Alchemy's earlier investors include Coinbase, Anderson Horowitz, Pantera, Kotu, as well as individual celebrities like Jay-Z, Jared Leto, and Will Smith. Rabia Iqbal, a former sovereign wealth fund professional, is all set to raise $150 million for crypto fund of funds under the Nural Capital banner, betting on the Web3 revolution. Nural Capital, a woman-run minority-owned startup, is backed by Kinetic Capital, which has long history of seeding top crypto companies like BlockFi, FTX, and Solana. Rabia Iqbal plans to close the new firm's first fund at the end of February. Nural's flagship vehicle, First Light Fund, plans to deploy capital to crypto-focused hedge and venture capital managers along with token investments and direct equity stakes in the blockchain sphere. The appeal behind Fund of Funds is to get access to managers who do not accept new investors or small checks. Iqbal's pitch to managers, as it turns out, includes getting their foot in the door on co-investments. Infinity Ventures Crypto, a Taipei-based Web3 investor, said it raised $70 million to invest in Web3 and blockchain startups in Asia and the America in its first fund. The fund aims to bridge the gap between Southeast Asia and the West. Brian Liu, a partner at Infinity Ventures, said in an interview to a channel. The fund has nearly 55% of its investments in Asia and 35% in America. Circle, Digital Currency Group and Animoca brands participated in the fund, according to a release. Another of the fund's partner is Richie Giavaronan, whose family runs CP Group, one of Thailand's largest business conglomerates. There are more funds in the works, Liu said, and he wants to start one every year and a half. Liu is also an investor and partner at venture firm Headline's Asia office, which counts Groupon and dating app Bumble in its portfolio. Bitcoin, the oldest cryptocurrency, failed to sustain over $45,000 after facing strong resistance and fell back to $43,000 levels in Asia trades. The cryptocurrency could find lower support at $40,000 into the Asia trading day, according to technical experts. Some analysts see Bitcoin to surge to $48,000 in the short term, but warn that there is a possibility for a pullback to the mid-high $30,000 before hitting $53,000. Bitcoin was at $43,770 in recent trades, down 1% in the past 24 hours, while Ether, the second biggest cryptocurrency, was at $3,092, down 1.8% in the same time frame. However, the chatter of the market today was Leo, the token of crypto exchange Bitfinex. The currency surged after US officials announced that they have seized roughly $3.6 billion worth of Bitcoin tied to the exchange's 2016 hack. Leo token, the utility token intended to be used on Bitfinex and other trading platforms managed by its parent company, iFinex, rose 40% in just 20 minutes after the news broke. According to reports, Bitfinex said it would buy back and burn any outstanding Leo if it recovers the stolen Bitcoin within 18 months of the day of receiving this Bitcoin. Popular DeFi platform Aave has launched Lens Protocol, a decentralized Web3 social media platform. Stanley Kulichova, Aave's founder, described Lens as an open, composable Web3 social media protocol to allow anyone to create a non-custodial social media profile and build new social media applications. Lens will allow developers to build a wide range of applications while benefiting from a shared base of users. Lens will run on the Polygon network, supporting a revenue-sharing feature for contents hosted on IPFS. Following the launch of Lens, the native of the Aave ecosystem, Aave rose to a new 7-day high at $192. Aave gained 17% in the last 5 days. However, it has dropped from its intraday high and now trades around $182 according to the latest report. That's all in the bulletin for now. Keep watching Crypto TV.